What's up everyone, I'm Jarna and this is Fresh Beats, where we make fresh beats. Today we're sampling the sounds from the streets of my hood, GI. I'm gonna be going out in the streets of GI and finding 5 sound bites to make a beat from in Logic. When I'm just out and about or an idea randomly comes up, I just pull out my best microphone. I'm gonna go over there. Hope no one's inside. I want something like, something I can make like an instrument out of almost. I'm definitely gonna make something upbeat. Let's get back to the studio and see what I can make. Cool, I've finished the track now, so I'm gonna play the sounds that I used and then I'm gonna play the track. This is the one with the bin and the stick. And this one is the tin door. And this one is just some background noise.
A little bit odd.
This one is the seagulls. And lastly, this is the one with the payphone. This is my fresh beat made from sounds from the streets of GI. And that's my fresh beat of the week.